Are you searching for answers on how to find your first marketing job? Coming up, I'm going to give you advice on how to secure your first job offer. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royse and I'm a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. It can be challenging to find your first marketing job. The world of marketing is enormous and is changing quickly with the rise of digital selling. There's a wide range of people with various backgrounds, including journalism, in the marketing profession. Despite these challenges, it's a great time to be a marketer. The Bureau of Labor Statistics says marketing careers will grow 6% annually, faster than the average of other jobs. Competition is tough. A lot of people see the promise of marketing, are working hard to break into this profession. Successfully landing a new marketing job means finding a competitive edge to stand out. There are 5 tips on how to get started in digital marketing and find your first job. Let's dive in. Number 1, find out what part of marketing you like. Perhaps you feel like you know a lot about marketing and you feel like marketing seems like a good fit for you. It matches your personality and your interests. It's easy to think about marketing as an umbrella term because it comprises a wide range of functions. It's essential to find out the type of marketing you're interested in and how it matches your skills and experience. For example, ask yourself the following questions. Do I like using search engines like Google, and am I interested in ads? Do I have fun writing and shooting videos? Do I have a knack for social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok? By understanding the different marketing categories, you can find out where you want to specialize. When you specialize in one topic, while understanding marketing in general from a bigger perspective, it will help you become a more attractive marketing candidate. Number 2, earn a digital marketing certification. It's a catch-22. You need work experience to land your first job, but you need a job to gain experience. That's why obtaining a digital marketing certification beyond a traditional school degree is vital in standing out from the crowd. There are many free digital marketing certifications you can complete in a day or 2. There are some great places to start with some free digital marketing certifications. I'll put the link up above so that you can check out that video. By obtaining these digital marketing certifications, you'll gain direct experience with specific marketing tools or technologies. This will help you understand what digital marketers do daily, and you'll have a better understanding of what parts of marketing you like best. Number 3, apply your knowledge with an internship. After you know what part of marketing you like and you have earned a digital marketing certification, you need to apply this knowledge somehow. When you use the knowledge you have, you can add it to your resume. An internship is critical to your success after college. I worked at a local PBS station in marketing, promotions, and public relations over the summer. It was a great learning experience and I learned a lot about marketing, including writing news releases, creating an ad, and scheduling TV promotional breaks. Marketing is a profession that values hands-on experience over understanding concepts. So this means you need to prove you understand the foundations of marketing. You also need to show how marketing can help a company grow and meet its revenue goals. Internships are a great place to help you land that full-time salary position after graduating college or earning your MBA in marketing. Number 4, launch a personal project. After you know what part of marketing you like, earn a digital marketing certification, and land an internship, you need to create a side or personal project that will help you grow your real-world work experience. Starting a blog and YouTube channel early in my marketing career is one of the things that I would have liked to done differently. Don't make that same mistake and start early. In marketing, you learn best by doing. What a better way to do something than launch a digital presence such as a blog and YouTube channel. This personal project will help you demonstrate your marketing during interviews and show that you're a good fit for a paid role because you have done it already. You have physical proof with your blog and YouTube channel. Anyone today can start a blog or YouTube channel with basic technical skills. You'll be able to practice your search engine optimization, your social media skills, and you'll learn how to design websites. You'll start to build a reputation as an expert marketer, and you'll improve your communication and marketing skills. You'll learn how to write better, and you'll also learn about recording videos. With a blog, it's affordable to purchase a domain name and start a WordPress blog. YouTube is free to launch. You'll have an excellent place to show off your portfolio, show them your biography, and show them your unique perspectives on marketing. This will give you actionable bullet points on your marketing resume with data such as your number of followers you have and the number of views you've obtained on YouTube. Number 5, market yourself. This is the last part of the equation, but it's one of the most important parts. It's important to work on your personal brand and to make sure you have an effective resume, cover letter, and you've mastered the art and science of the job interview. This is where you learn how to communicate the value that you can bring to your potential employer. You know what part of marketing you like, you have earned a certification, you have an internship, and you've started a blog and YouTube channel. All 4 of these actions make it easier for you to find that first job. Now, this part of finding a job is more about polishing and bringing everything together and telling your employer that you are the perfect candidate for the job. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. When you follow these 5 tips, you'll be able to leave your mark on the world of marketing right out of the gate. Know what you like about marketing, obtain a digital marketing certification, secure an internship, launch a blog and YouTube channel, and market yourself. With hard work, curiosity, and determination, you'll successfully find your first marketing job. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Until next time.